What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on around Japan. Here's what the trick looks like. Alright, so there you can see. Here's an example. So the first step to doing this trick is you're just going to pull it up in a small cup, okay? And then right before you get, after you get that small cup, then you're going to swap to the big cup. And then you're going to go straight from the big cup to the spike. So the first kind of thing that you want to be aware of when you're doing this trick is how you're rotating, going from the small cup to the big cup so that it'll be easiest to go to the spike. This is how I do it. When you pull it up to make sure that the hole is facing towards you. That's step one. Then you're going to rotate your wrist over, catch it on the big cup so that the hole is facing toward you. And then you're going to go to the spike. So, with all those steps being put together, then all you have to do is do the trick. Put it all together. Try and lace it. Make sure that you practice this one a whole lot because it's going to take a lot of practice. So, yeah. Have a good one.